In front of me is Motorola Moto G86, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Flowers. Begin by going into Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from a Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent. Click at the top left corner and operate all of those options however you want to. You can check out Preview at the top. If you wish to try something more interesting, you can also hit presets on the left. Pick one of those by tapping on the best one and hit yes. Then adjust all of its options however you want to. And when you finished, click at the top right corner, then bottom right corner. Set as live wallpaper and yes. Now you need to hit set wallpaper at the bottom and decide where you wish to apply it by clicking on one of those options, home screen or home screen and lock screen. Now tap on wherever you want to in live lock screen pop-up and go back. As you can see, after that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!